Place Fish Market. It's a world famous, been here over 100 years in Seattle. This is where the adventure begins on a railroad into the Rockies tour.
How you doing, folks?
We're amazed. Where do these shrimp come in from? And all those, well, these big guys right
They're
here.
from Thailand,
Crab legs?
Alaska.
Good luck here, Rebecca the pig. That's all.
We're at the Pike's Place Fish Market. We're, of course, pretty well known for the flying fish, but let me tell you, it's a farmer's market as well. Some of the freshest and best-looking fruits and vegetables I've ever seen. After arriving in Seattle, we're traveling by a motor coach in northwestern Washington along the Olympic Peninsula. It's known as Olympic National Park. Just beautiful here. We're getting ready to leave the country via ferry out of Port Angeles. After a scenic drive along the Olympic Peninsula, we're now departing Port Angeles on the way over to Victoria. Join us again tomorrow as we take a tour of downtown Victoria, stop by for lunch here at the Empress, and we also take a look at some of the Parliament buildings here in town as well. I'm WRAG News Channel 3's Todd Demers, railroading in the Rockies.